Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a guest Wi-Fi network. First, from your PS5's home screen, go to the Settings menu, which looks like a gear icon. Then, select Network and choose Settings. From there, you'll want to select Set up Internet Connection to begin the process of configuring your network details. This initial step is crucial for accessing the advanced options needed for guest networks. Next, when prompted to choose how to set up your internet connection, select Custom. This allows you to manually input network details. For the IP address settings, select Manual. You will then need to enter the specific IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway provided by your guest network administrator. These three pieces of information are absolutely essential for your console to communicate properly on the network. After configuring your IP address, you'll move to DNS settings. Select Manual here and input your primary and secondary DNS server addresses. Public DNS servers, such as Google's 8.8.8.8, are often reliable alternatives if you don't have specific ones. Finally, when you reach the proxy server setting, it is almost always best to select Do Not Use for guest Wi-Fi connections. Once all your network settings are entered, proceed to test your internet connection. The PS5 will attempt to connect and verify all parameters. If the connection fails, carefully go back and double-check every single detail you entered, especially the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway. If issues persist, reaching out to the network administrator for the precise guest Wi-Fi parameters is your best next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.